Learning presents 1, 2, 3s. Enjoy the video! Hi, I'm number 1. 1 playful white sheep. 2, there are 2 happy unicorns. 3, there are 3 flying dragons. What comes next? 1, 2, or 4? It's 4. There are 4 cute kittens. There are 5 speeding race cars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. You now know numbers 1 to 5. Remember, feel free to pause the video. Number 6. There are 6 cuddly ducks. Number 7. There are 7 yummy apples. 8. There are 8 rolling balls. What number comes next? 8, 6, or 9? It's 9. 9. There are 9 colorful leaves. 10. There are 10 delicious cupcakes. Count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now you can count from 1 to 10. 11. There are 11 kinds of fruits. 12. There are 12 colored pencils. What comes next? 12, 11, or 13? You're right. It's 13. 13. There are 13 bright stars. 14. There are 14 stylish hats. 15. There are 15 fragrant flowers. Count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job! Now, it is time to count from 1 to 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Congratulations! You can now count